Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you embed HTML into your Weebly website page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to embed HTML into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're working with various forms or tracking software where you need to add the HTML into the page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already opened up one of my websites in Weebly. Now, if you want to embed HTML into one of the pages, here on the top left, you're going to click on this drop-down menu and go ahead and choose the page that you want to embed HTML into. So for me, I'm going to add it to my Contact Us form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the various sections that you have in this Weebly website page. But off to the left, you're going to see all the sections as well. But you want to click on this one, Add Section. Once you click there, you'll see a menu, and you're just going to scroll down until you see this one here, Embed Code. Okay, so once you do that, you get to choose the layout of the code. So this one has some words on top and then the code. For me, this is not really important because I'm going to be deleting the words anyways. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one. And then next you're going to click in here to the section we just added. Once you do that, you can go ahead and embed the code here on the left side. So let me grab an embed code from a YouTube video. Okay, I just pulled up one of my YouTube videos. I'm going to click here on share and then embed, and I'm going to copy this code. Okay, so when we come back here to our Weebly embed code, we're going to paste the embed code here, and you can see it automatically just adds it in there. And then for these words, like I said, I'm not really going to have those in there, so I'm going to go ahead and delete those. Okay, so once you're done embedding your HTML code, you're not quite fit until you click on publish here on the top right, and it's going to go ahead and start publishing. All right, so now it's published. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to embed HTML code into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.